How to disable Snapchat Spotlight. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to discuss about disabling the Snapchat Spotlight. In order to make the most of the Snapchat while minimizing your interaction with the Spotlight, if you prefer, go ahead and keep your snaps off Spotlight. When you create a snap, simply share it with your friends or in your story instead of choosing Spotlight. And refrain from using the Submit to Spotlight option. You can customize your privacy settings for a more controlled experience. For that, tap on the profile or the avatar icon in the top left. Then tap on the gear icon to access your settings. From here, scroll down and go to privacy control, and there you will see the option of view my story, contact me, use my cameo selfie, and see me in the quick ad. Go ahead and choose friends to share only with the people you know, and to limit the contact request. And in the case of see me in find friends or quick ad, simply uncheck the box for more privacy. So to focus on content you love while you can't completely remove the Spotlight tab, you can easily avoid it by enjoying the other areas of Snapchat and not switching to the Spotlight tab icon. Long press on the Snapchat video that do not excite you or interest you. Then tap on hide or do not recommend or whatever option is available. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.